The US dollar index rose early in the week but reversed gains as Fed division deepens. The yen fluctuated, with the Bank of Japan's policy inaction limiting rebound momentum. Fundamental drivers, policy confusion, cutting down December rate cut odds. Data vacuum worsens, the US government shutdown has now reached a record, leaving key data like non-farm payrolls and CPI unavailable and amplifying market volatility. The Nasdaq fell as concerns over tech stock valuations resurfaced meanwhile. The S&P 500 and the Dow dropped. Sector trends, semiconductors, Nvidia and AI-related stocks, Meta led declines, while energy shares posted mild gains. Gold sees V-shaped rebound as safe haven demand battles. Dollar strength, spot silver down, with its trading range widening to $47 to $49. Key themes, safe haven demand, equity sell-offs and rising geopolitical risk, notably escalating tensions in Venezuela, lent support to gold. Dollar pressure, short-term dollar strength capped gains, but central bank buying provided long-term support. Institutional views, TD Securities expects gold to consolidate within 3,800 to 4,050. Morgan Stanley forecasts gold to rise to 4,500 in 2026. Oil falls for second straight week. As supply-demand imbalance grows, WTI crude fell and Brent crude declined. Bearish factors, larger than expected EIA inventory build, and uncertainty over OPEC plus production plans offset geopolitical risk premiums. Industrial metals, iron ore fell as weak Chinese demand, and rising port inventories weighed on sentiment. LME copper, balancing between supply disruptions and global growth slowdown concerns. Bitcoin dropped and Ethereum plunged amid a major hacking incident, fueling panic across markets. On-chain data, crypto ETFs saw $1.8 billion in weekly outflows, with $1.2 billion in leveraged long positions liquidated. Policy backdrop, the US SEC tightened scrutiny of stablecoins, while China's PBOC reiterated its crackdown on crypto speculation. Key events. Tesla shareholder meeting approved Elon Musk's $1 trillion compensation package, but the rollout of full self-driving in China was delayed. OpenAI and Amazon signed a $38 billion compute partnership, intensifying the AI capital spending race. Week ahead, key economic and policy events. Federal Reserve, New York Fed President Williams will speak, with markets watching for signals on the December rate path. Multiple Fed officials are set to speak. Dovish commentary could boost risk sentiment. Other central banks, Bank of Japan, will release minutes from its October meeting. Any hint of a December rate hike could support the yen. European Central Bank will publish its economic bulletin, while the Eurozone Q3 GDP revision will be closely watched. Economic data and risks, the US data blackout continues. The October CPI report may be delayed by the shutdown, and its eventual release could trigger sharp volatility. Initial jobless claims remain the only reliable high-frequency indicator of labor market conditions. By Amillex.